Okay, now for round 2, we've got 6 chains, and in each of the 6 chains we're going to put 2 single crochets, which, 6 times 2, 12. So there should be a total of 12 single crochet chains. The instructions are chain 1, comma, 2 single crochet in first single crochet from round 1, and in the other single crochets you will do the same, putting 2. So what are we going to do? We're going to go, we still have that marker right in there, so we know that that is where we're going to go ahead, but we're going to chain 1. That's what it asks. There it is, chain 1, and we're going to work right back in there. So let's go ahead. It's a little difficult, a little tight, and I could probably remove this marker because I already know where we're at, but don't put it too far away. So I'm going to take one, put it in there, right, and we're going to, that's 1, and that's my first single crochet. So I'm going to go ahead and immediately put it right in there. I'm not marking my chain 1. I'm marking my single crochet number 1. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and do number 2 into the same hole. So I'll call that 2, and then 3 into the second one. And another one is the same, 3 and 4 into the second one, the second chain. 5 into my third previous chain, 5. 6, same spot. Remember, we're doing 2 inside of each one, so that's 6. So again, here is my next chain, and I'm going to put 2 of them right in here. I'm going to go 7 in here and then 8 in here. So here we go. 7, 8. Come on, 8. Now we're going to go into the next row, next chain, 9, 10. And I'm holding it right in here with these 2 fingers, so that makes it 10. And now the next one for 12. So here we go. That's 11 and 12. And so remember that I put this little piece right here to remind me, because you see all of this stuff in here, you can't tell like what is what, but at the end of the day I know that this is my first single crochet, okay, and that is where I'm going to do my slip stitch right in there to finish off row number 2 or round 2. So I'm going to go in here and we're going to yarn over. Okay, hold on. I need to give it tension here. And remember, I'm going to keep going because this is a slip stitch. Keep going. Do not pull yarn over again. No, that's a single crochet. We're doing a slip stitch. And so I've done round 2. Okay, and let's just check. Let's make sure. Let's make sure that we have 12. Okay, so let's go ahead and count. We're counting here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and what we're not going to do is we're not going to count that piece. We're going to count right there. So we got 12. All right. So let's go ahead and take this marker out. And the instructions say that now we're going to go ahead and turn for round 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just turn this piece like this. And this string might be a little bit in the way, so we can always go ahead and you can always go ahead and pull this guy through to the other side so it's not in the way. So let's get ready for round 3.